Hey buddy, how you doing? Hope all is well with you. Right, today I'm going to make another short movie, Rocky 1, where Rocky and Mick argue in the gym, the waste of life scene. I've done it before, but this time I've got the right props for it and include the jacket. See, it's going to be a short scene. I'll do my best as I said, and please everybody send a like, comment and a share. I really appreciate it, yeah? Thank you and enjoy. You're probably looking for sparring partners for Creed, you know?
I said that before, you dumb dago!
You know, I'll be coming in 6 years, and 6 years you'll be sticking to me. I want to know how come. Yeah, I want to know how come. I want to know now.
I'm going to tell you. Because you had to become a good fighter. And instead of that, you became a leg breaker. Some cheap second-rate loan shark.
It's 11.